How to improve FPS and reduce lag in Blood Strike game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna be learning how you can easily reduce lag and improve FPS in Blood Strike game. So first of all, launch open the Blood Strike game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby page, go to the settings icon at the top right corner and tap on it. You'll open up this settings menu where you need to click on graphics and audio on the left hand side menu. Inside graphics from the top, under quality mode, select prioritize performance, and then this will give you a higher FPS. It also reduces lag and stutter and lowers graphics quality. This is best for low-end phones or device, competitive gameplay, or smooth aiming and fast reaction. Choose this option if you want less lag on your device. Now, if you want better FPS, you can select this prioritize performance option under quality mode and your FPS will be selected to ultra. Whenever your device heats or lag, you can also reduce the FPS and the resolution and keep your graphic quality to low or medium. So that way you will be able to improve FPS and reduce lag in Blood Strike game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.